Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're talking about Mega Man on mobile, and we're also talking about layer shift and arcade sticks. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, for those of you who don't know, the official version of Mega Man is available on mobile. In fact, Capcom has made Mega Man 1 through 6 available on the Google Play Store, as well as on the App Store in bundle format. You can pick up Mega Man 1 through 6 for a couple of bucks each, and they have been out for a while, but I've never talked about them on my channel before because I don't recommend them. I don't recommend these games because they have butchered the ports. The frame rates here are atrocious. You can get much better frame rates and much better accuracy by emulating. And this is probably why they updated the description to say Mega Man Mobile will be finished the sale on March 29th, 2021 Japan time. So if for some reason you actually wanted to buy one of these games, time is running out. After March 29th, these games will be delisted from the Google Play Store, and I'm not sure many people would be upset about that. And yes, they're also going to be delisted from the App Store, so if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you will be out of luck as of March 29th. If anything, I think iPhone users would probably be the most disappointed about this news, considering the emulation experience on an iPhone is nowhere near as good as on Android. That being said though, these still aren't good ports. Maybe in the future we'll see a re-release of these games of some sort. It's doubtful, but possibly. And possibly it'll be in the form of something similar to the Capcom Arcade Stadium if they do make a solution like this for mobile. Let me know your thoughts on the Mega Man situation in the comments below, and let me know if you want to see something like the Capcom Arcade Stadium come to mobile in the comments below. Next up in the news, let's talk about Layer Shift. For those of you who don't know who Layer Shift is, it's a company that makes some incredible stuff for fight sticks and arcade sticks, especially in the fighting game community. One of the coolest things I've seen come out of Layer Shift recently is the Odin, which is a drop-in solution for pretty much any fight stick out there. If you wanted to replace the lever with some keys, you can, and it's very easy. Not even joking here, this device drops in the existing joystick hole and tightens up from underneath. And now they're coming out with the Odin V2, and there are some notable differences here. The sockets are different, and one of the big things as well is a range of LED colors, so you'll be able to configure the LEDs to your heart's content. I mean, if you are at all interested in fight sticks, I don't know how something like this wouldn't get you excited, unless you just don't like the layout. And if that's the case and you just don't like the WASD layout, well, you might be excited about something like this. This product is called the LOKI from Layer Shift, and it will be released at some point this year. Just like the Odin, this looks like a drop-in solution that'll turn pretty much any fight stick into a hitbox style of controller with no modification needed. I am extremely excited to learn more about this product. I'm a huge fan of keycaps, and I'm also a big fan of the hitbox style of layout. This seems to bring the best of both worlds together. And taking a closer look at these photos, and it seems like there's going to be quite a bit of customization available here, from different keycaps to different LEDs and probably even different configurations. I can't wait to see what Layer Shift comes out with. Also, if you ever wanted to make one of these on your own and you have a 3D printer and a pretty technical knowledge of PCBs, well, Layer Shift has you covered as well. They made this back in 2019. And they also released the 3D files as well as the PCB files. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. Let me know your thoughts on the Odin V2 as well as the LOKI in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.